everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get this makeup look, and this is inspired by Ellis Atlantis on Instagram, who's a British drag queen I believe, so credits to her for this. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. I've already put primer on, so I'm just gonna blend that out to get a smooth base. Since I want this look to be kind of, not sparkly, but like shiny, I'm going to put a stick highlighter underneath my foundation. And this is the Maybelline New York Master Strobing Stick in light iridescent. So I'm just gonna like drag that all over my face. I'm gonna blend this with a sponge. Now I'm gonna take Wet n Wild's Photo Focus foundation in Soft Ivory and put that all over my face. Now I'm going in with W7's Face Fantasy Matte Foundation in Buff. And this is a little lighter than the other foundation, and I'm putting that underneath my eyes and on my nose and forehead and chin. I'm going to Drag World UK in August this year, and fitting enough, Ellis Atlantis, I'm sorry, but I can't pronounce that name. I don't know if I'm but she's coming to Drag World, and she's gonna have a panel on makeup, and yeah, I find that really exciting. So now that the base is done, I'm gonna powder it all down. And I'm doing that with Makeup Revolution's matte base powder in P2. And I'm just taking a big fluffy brush and just... Now I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna do them yellow, which is a little bit hard since my eyebrows are not yellow or light. So I'm gonna take just a clown white, like cream makeup, and take that on a little spoolie and brush that through my eyebrow hairs to make them white so I can put the yellow eyeshadow over it. And I'm also gonna take a white pen eyeliner and create the shape. Now that I have the general shape of the brows, I'm gonna go in with NYX's Hot Single Eyeshadows in STFU. And I'm gonna take just a flat packer brush and just pack that onto the brows. Now I'm taking a full coverage concealer from Dark Blonde Cosmetics in 01, and I'm just carving the brows out. So I've already primed my lids with eyeshadow primer. So first off, I'm going to go in with a tiny brush and take the darkest blue I can find. And I'm putting that underneath my eye. Now I'm taking a lighter blue and blending out the darker blue. Now I'm going in with a small packer brush that's kind of fluffy, and I'm taking a light blue and taking that on my bottom lash line but on the inside. Now I'm going back in with the clown white that I used for my eyebrows, and I'm gonna cut my crease with that. So I'm going in with the shade Moscato, and I'm just packing that onto the white. I'm going in with the shade Curacao, or I don't know, Curacao or Caro. I'm gonna put the shade name somewhere. No, I'm not. But I'm taking this shade and I'm going to blur out the line between the blue and the beige. Now I'm going in with this cute little palette, and I'm taking the darkest blue and taking a tiny brush, and I'm gonna use this as an eyeliner, but not as a winged liner, but an eyeliner around the cut crease. gonna put the lashes on off camera and then I'll be back. Now that I'm done with the eyes, I'm gonna continue doing my face. So first off, I'm gonna go in with contour. I want my face to be on the warmer side since my eyes are all cool tones. Now I'm gonna move on to the bronzer. So I'm taking a bronzer. I'm just warming up my face and doing circular motions. And I'm taking this a little bit higher than the contour. I'm gonna take the same contour palette and take the highlight shade and pop that onto my inner corners. Before I highlight my face, I'm gonna take a orange blush and just doing a little bit to have some color in my face. I'm gonna do my lips. Since I have lip balm on, I'm gonna just powder over my lips. So I'm taking my same face powder and just putting that on my lips. I'm doing this so that the shadows I put around my lips don't look patchy or anything like that. So I'm gonna go in with NYX's Ultimate Shadow Palette in Brights, and I'm gonna go in with the red shade on a fluffy brush and start doing circular motions around my lips. So now that I have the red shadow all around my mouth, I don't know how I feel about the black. I probably shouldn't have done that, but there's nothing I can do about it now. So I'm just gonna take a lip liner. I have no idea where this is from because it's so tiny so I can't see. But I'm just gonna line my lips. Now I'm gonna go in with the red liquid lipstick. Now I'm gonna go in with the same highlighter I used for my inner corners, and I'm gonna take that onto my lips on the high points of them. So I'm gonna take this just clear lip gloss. Now I'm gonna take NYX's Dewy Finish setting spray and just spray my face. I'm gonna take Fenty Beauty's highlighter in Hustler Baby. I'm just gonna do some finishing touches and then I'll be back to show the results. So this is the final look, and as I said, it's inspired by Ellis Atlantis. And I really liked how it turned out. I think it's cool and something different. I love these brows. I think they're fun. But that's it for this video. If you liked it, like it, and yeah. I hope everyone has a good day. So, see you in the next video.